Asus blue screen of death, BISO errors indicate a system crash, often due to driver faults, RAM issues, or corrupted files. Black screens with a blinking cursor usually signal a boot failure, stemming from a damaged master boot record (MBR), faulty HDD SSD, or BIOS misconfigurations. The master boot record (MBR) is crucial for booting. Damage to it can prevent the system from starting properly. BIOS misconfigurations can also lead to black screens. Check boot order and settings in the BIOS setup. This video provides a quick guide to troubleshooting these issues on your Asus laptop or desktop. Hardware problems like defective RAM, failing SSDs, especially in some 2023-2024 VivoBook models, or overheating CPUs and GPUs can cause these errors. Software issues such as outdated BIOS, incompatible drivers like Realtek Audio or Intel Graphics, or even malware are also frequent culprits. Knowing the root cause is the first step to fixing it. Start with power cycling your device. Shut down, disconnect power, wait 30 seconds, reconnect, and turn on. Try booting into safe mode to isolate software issues. Check your boot order in BIOS to ensure correct startup sequence. Run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool to check for RAM issues. Use SFC, Scano, and Command Prompt as administrator to check for system file errors. These initial troubleshooting steps can often resolve simple software conflicts. Outdated or incompatible drivers are a major cause of blue screens of death. Update your graphics, audio, and network drivers through Device Manager. Alternatively, visit the Asus support website to download the latest drivers. Search for your specific model to ensure compatibility. Also, check for and install any available BIOS updates from the Asus website. These updates often include fixes for compatibility issues and improve system stability. Keeping drivers and BIOS updated helps prevent blue screens of death and ensures your Asus device runs smoothly. If software fixes don't work, suspect hardware. Test your RAM with memtest86. Check your SSD HDD health using diagnostic tools. Overheating? Clean the fans and ensure proper ventilation. Consider professional help if you're not comfortable disassembling. If the problem started recently, System Restore can revert your system files and settings to a previous state. Boot into the advanced startup options, usually by pressing F9, F12, or ESC repeatedly during startup, and select System Restore. Choose a restore point before the issue began. Note that this will remove programs installed after the restore point. To recover from a black screen, first create a bootable USB recovery drive using the Media Creation tool from Microsoft on another working computer. Next, boot from the USB drive. Restart your Asus device and enter the BIOS setup, usually by pressing F2 or Delete during startup. Set the USB drive as the first boot device. Once booted, access the recovery environment. Choose to repair the master boot record if that's the issue, or proceed with reinstalling Windows to resolve the black screen problem. Remember, this process can be complex, so follow Microsoft's instructions carefully. Backup important data before proceeding. If all else fails, visit the Asus support website for model-specific troubleshooting guides, driver downloads, and FAQs. You can also contact Asus customer support directly for assistance through their app or phone. Remember to back up your important data regularly to prevent data loss in case of system failures.